So, good afternoon, everyone. We are here today to discuss about Nature Week that will be held next week. So, we have to decide what is the best activity that we should organize for the week. So, in my opinion, tree planting activity is the most suitable activity. So, tree planting activity is a process of transplanting tree seedlings, generally for forestry, land reclamation, or landscaping purposes, which known as reforestation. So, tree planting activity. How to organize tree planting activity? The first step is to choose the type of tree planting project that we'd like to organize. For example, memorial tree planting, seedling giveaway, or park tree planting. And then we decide who needs to be involved. For example, we are organizing this in our university, so the students of this university should be involved. Then we set a date. After that, we choose a planting site and species, which right tree in the right place, so that the tree will grow nicely. And then we need to raise funds or ask support from community leaders, and then recruit volunteers and invite media participation, and then reward volunteers and others who help, so that for the next tree planting activity there are more people that will willing to join. So for you, Bob, what is your opinion?
On Nature Week, I think a trip to national park is the best activities to choose, because nature defines flora and fauna, which we can see both in national park. And for to save our own budget, I think we can choose Similajau National Park, because it's only 30 minutes drive to arrive there, and the park is home to 185 species of bird and 24 species of mammal, and we can see some kind of rare species there, and we can also learn something new about the rare species. And also there are other activities that we can call it, the activities that I can say it's challenging for Nature Week, because activities in Similajau, there are night cruise along Sungai Likau, and we can watch dolphins in Dolphins Watch. We have to cruise to Batu Mandi, and also night walk in Similajau. And there's many accommodation in Similajau National Park, such as chalet, hostel, and many more accommodation that we can spend a night there.
Oh, that's a great idea. So what about you, Atom?
I think organize a camping trip to a forest reserve is one of a good activity. So a well-planned class camping trip is a learning adventure which develop personal value and concept, generates skill for lifelong learning, encourage group cooperation, and enhance knowledge of and appreciation for the natural environment. Good planning will ensure a successful and fruitful trip. This digest is intended to serve as a guide to help teachers offers this unique learning opportunity to their students. So the benefit of trip, we can expose the student about how important is our forest to our ecosystem. We also expose them about wildlife, and they can learn a survival skill. Survival skill is good for emergency situation in your life. That's good. And other benefit is to expose the beauty of biodiversity, flora and fauna, so they know what's inside the forest, and they have good activity.
That's a good idea also. So what about you, Azhar?
Okay, in my opinion, I think we should do recycling day. Okay, how to do the recycling day? We can ask students to join and participate in the event. Okay, by doing recycling day, we can save resource, also save energy and help protect the environment. Okay, so we can use rubbish and the other material to recycle to a new things that we can use to do in our life. Okay, waste that is not separated for recycling is incinerated at the energy from waste plant at La Colette. Although we generate local electricity from burning rubbish, so we should do recycling to reduce the open burning, right? Okay. 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 Therefore, by doing recycling day, we can reduce the environment to environment pollution. We can reduce the pollution. Okay. For the student that participate in this recycling day, we can reward them with present and hamper.
Good.
So everyone has a very good idea, but we have to come up to a conclusion. So, in your guys' opinion, what is the best activity that we should have?
In my opinion, the best activity is tree planting activity.
What about you?
I think I have to come agree with Atom's opinion to have to support your idea.
Yeah. How about you?
I think your idea is the best.
Wow.
So I will support you too.
Oh, that's good.
But in my opinion, Bob has the best idea to go to, what is your idea? just now?
Similar National Park.
Yeah, because we can get to know many other species, flora and fauna. But you guys, most of you guys decided to choose tree planting. So for the Nature Week, we choose to do tree planting activity. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.